Let z is a complex number with a non-zero imaginary part. If this expression is a real number, then mod z square is, let 2 plus 3z plus 4z square whole divided by 2 minus 3z plus 4z square is equal to x, since it is given that it is a real number. Now applying componendo and dividendo here, since I can write this as x by 1, so if I apply componendo and dividendo, I can get 2 plus 3z plus 4z square plus 2 minus 3z plus 4z square whole divided by 2 plus 3z plus 4z square minus 2 minus 3z plus 4z square is equal to x plus 1 upon x minus 1. This 3z and minus 3z cancels. Similarly here, this 2 and minus 2 here cancels. We get 4 plus 8z square whole divided by 6z, because here this 4z square and minus 4z square also cancels, and is equal to x plus 1 upon x minus 1. Now it becomes 4 upon 6z plus 8z square upon 6z is equal to x plus 1 upon x minus 1, and in 2 upon 3z plus 4z by 3 is equal to x plus 1 upon x minus 1. Since it is given that the given expression is a real number, so that means this expression here, 2 upon 3z plus 4z by 3, which is equal to x plus 1 upon x minus 1, is also a real number, because we manipulated this expression into this by applying the componendo and dividendo. So if a complex number is a real number, that simply means z should be equal to z bar. So applying it here, we can clearly say 2 upon 3z plus 4z by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 z bar plus 4 z bar by 3. Take this 2 by 3 z bar to the left hand side, we get 2 by 3 z minus 2 by 3 z bar equal to, and now take this 4z by 3 to the right hand side, we get 4z bar by 3 minus 4z by 3. Take common 2 by 3, we have 1 upon z minus 1 upon z bar equal to 4 by 3 common, z bar minus z. Taking LCM, we get 2 by 3 z bar minus z upon z bar equal to 4 by 3 z bar minus z. Now cancel 3 with 3, and it is given that z has non-zero imaginary part. Really means z cannot be equal to z bar in this case. So which implies z bar minus z cannot be equal to 0 also. So clearly I can cancel here z bar minus z both sides. So finally we have 2 upon z into z bar equal to 4. Now this 2 cancels 4 and we have z bar equal to 1 by 2. And since we know that z bar is always equal to mod z square, so clearly mod z square becomes half.